Two-factor authentication, not working on Acorns Fix. You open your Acorns app to check your savings or round up investments, but your two-factor authentication isn't working. The code fails, or maybe it never shows up at all. Before you panic, let's walk through the simple fixes that almost always solve this problem. First, check your phone's time settings. This might sound trivial, but two-factor authentication codes rely on exact time synchronization. If your device's clock is off even by a few seconds, the code won't match Acorn's system. Go to Settings, enable Set Time automatically and try again. Next, make sure your authentication method is correct. If you're using a code from Google Authenticator or Authy, ensure it's linked to your current Acorns account. If you changed phones recently, reinstalling the app doesn't transfer your codes automatically. You'll need to log into Acorns on a web browser and re-enable two-factor authentication from scratch. If you're using SIM's verification, check your cell signal and ensure your number hasn't changed. Sometimes, mobile carriers block or delay short codes. You can temporarily switch to Wi-Fi calling or use an authenticator app instead. It's faster and more reliable. If the app keeps rejecting valid codes, update your Acorns app or reinstall it. Cached data can sometimes cause conflicts with new security updates. After reinstalling, try logging in again. Finally, if none of this works, don't worry. Acorns customer support can verify your identity and reset your two-factor authentication so you can safely regain access. So when your two-factor authentication fails on Acorns, stay calm. Sync your phone's time, verify your authentication app, and refresh your login. Within a few minutes, you'll be back in your account saving, investing, and watching your balance grow securely.